During autumn months most people begin to stock up on creams, moisturizers and other skincare products. During this time period, the skin begins to feel stretched and leathery, mainly for those people who have very dry skin. Even people who haven't been practicing proper skincare also notice patchy and discolored, dull-looking skin. As for people with oily and combination skin types, the skin begins to appear better, more porcelain and glowing, but remember even these skin types will experience a tightening and stretching of the skin and will need not just moisturizing but nourishing as well. So what's the difference between moisturizing and nourishing, you may ask? The easiest way to explain it would be comparing a dehydrated powdered soup served in packets as against a freshly made, wholesome, homemade soup. You can't exchange the quality of pure fresh ingredients and products whether it is on your skin and hair or something you consume. So what are these winter skin nourishers which provide you the goodness of having natural ingredients? Do they only moisturize the skin or do they nourish as well as pamper it too? Most definitely the answer is in the affirmative. Let's take a look at some of nature's amazing skin nourishers and find out how you can use them to enhance, soften, nourish and pamper your skin. Here are 10 amazing home remedies for a glowing skin. 1. Honey. Honey when consumed internally and externally is fantastic for the skin. For combination to dry skin types, take 1 teaspoon of honey and massage onto skin every day. Leave it on for approximately 10 minutes and then rinse off. Pat dry and you'll notice that not only is your skin softer but also glowing. Be sure you use raw honey both internally and externally in order to reap the most benefits. Organic raw honey is readily available almost everywhere nowadays. 2. Figs. It is one of my all-time personal favorites. Take 2 figs, anjeer, and mash them down. Mix in with a small amount of milk and gently rub onto face for about 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse the face with water and pat dry. This remedy will assist in getting rid of all the toxins on your skin and help it to glow better. The mildly abrasive quality of figs assist in keep the skin healthy. Be sure you use this face pack consistently to reap the most benefit. Be sure it suits your skin. Test out a sample of this pack on your hand and see if it does not react. 3. Milk. I particularly love this ingredient. Not only does it soften and nourish the skin but also makes it sensuous and assist in the detanning process. Wipe your skin with full-fat milk 2 times a day or just splash a little bowlful of cold milk on your skin and pat dry. Milk is known to be one of the top moisturizers for your skin. This one's a wonderful home remedy for people who have a dry skin. Ensure that you apply it on a regular basis. 4. Avocado. The popular fruit with aphrodisiac properties works great for dry skin. Mash an avocado and apply it directly onto clean skin, massaging it in slowly. Leave it on for at least 15 minutes before you rinse off with milk and then with water. Packed full of healthy fats, vitamins and antioxidants, avocados are fantastic for your skin health. Using avocado oil is also one of the top choices to keep your skin healthy. Eating avocados is also another way to make your skin glow. 5. Banana. A common man's moisturizer and nourisher, never misjudge this fruit. Mash up a ripe banana and massage the skin directly with the pulp. Even the driest of skins will appreciate you for it. Banana contains moisture, potassium and the vitamins E and C, which are responsible for developing clear skin. Use a ripe banana as it has more potent effects than unripe one. 6. Almond. Whether you are applying pure almond oil or almond paste, both are awesome sources of vitamin E, providing enrichment for your skin externally. For dehydrated and very dry skin, start off by massaging the face with 1 teaspoon almond oil and then create a paste of 10 almonds mixed with a small amount of milk and scrub it gently onto the skin. Wash the face with milk and then after with water. This will not only aid patchy skin but will provide the skin a youthful texture, something we are all consistently searching for. 7. Olives. Olive are a fantastic source of vitamins. Take 3 to 4 mashed olives and apply it directly onto the skin and let it dry. Rinse off with cold water then pat dry. This will assist to restore the skin's natural pH. Olives or olive oil has long-standing reputation for their health and skin benefits. Olive oil is with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it excellent for hair and skin health as well as nails. 8. Papaya. I am astonished at the goodness of this humble fruit and have used it repeatedly on my skin in various treatments, which have all given great results. Take mashed papaya and massage it onto the skin for at least 5 minutes. Rinse the skin with milk and then with water and see how smooth and soft your skin feels in minutes. Papaya fosters the skin. Thanks to the presence of vitamin A and papain enzyme, it helps get rid of dead skin cells and inactive proteins, thus rejuvenating your skin. 9. Sugar. Sugar is a wonderful skin softener. For best results, mix the grains with either curd or fresh cream to rejuvenate the driest of all skins. Take 1 teaspoon of shakar and mix with 1 teaspoon of malai and softly massage directly onto the skin. Leave it on for approximately 10 minutes and then rinse off with cold water. Sugar scrubs have been used a long time for their abrasive nature that helps exfoliate the skin and help it to glow. 10. Aloe vera. This humble plant can be grown practically anywhere, gardens, pots, terraces, etc., and is an awesome rejuvenator for undernourished skin. Scrape out the gel from within the leaf, mash it and massage directly onto the skin. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes, rinse the skin with cold water and pat dry. Your skin will be rejuvenated naturally. Aloe vera soothes your skin, especially during summers when it faces the torrid heat. Now that you have these valuable natural nourishers, the only thing you need to do is start using them and see for yourself how your skin comes back to life and becomes super soft within minutes. Natural skincare is very effective and easy. Until our next video, make your skin happy naturally. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more great content.